We had it!
Motherfucker! Who twitched? You? Me? Who did it? Whose fault?
Watch your motherfucking tone, boy. Yeah, her, boy. Here going on, motherfucker.
Man, dude. It's gonna look good.
The saber actually. I'm excited.
That's
The blue will blend pretty well.
Might put mine on now that you're putting yours on. I'm like low-key sad though.
I know. It
Because
does
right now
hurt.
we have like...
It does hurt a little bit. We've got a cool dynamic going with these, but I think it'll be something new, something fresh. And then we'll be matched with Tucker, so you can feel it.
Pull your car in a little bit?
Ready for all the dings and dongs?
Struggle bus, dude. Swim!
Swim! Story of my life, right there. I guess let's get the old one off.
Yeah.
Shit it hot up in the six right now. Come see us to get it fixed, boy. Black bands on the road, boy.
Actually walked really the old one. She did me well.
You can also take half of this one and secure it on this side as well. Like press it down in, like so. And then secure the top. We'll take, and you're gonna put it directly below, like you want it to touch. So basically what he's doing is he's measuring to make sure that the banner sits properly.
They're the same.
They're identical?
Mm-hmm.
Let's test it before you cut the other side. I look like a sweaty ball of ass because it's humid as fuck in here. You're just like a bright white head. It's a bit better. Alright, let's go. This is where shit hit the fan. We're not professionals, and I really wanted to depict what it's like just doing stuff like this and not be a professional. I felt like this is a really good example. It doesn't always work out the way you want. This is a gator and a fucking box of eggs. We had it!
Motherfucker! Who twitched? You? Me? Who did it? Whose fault?
Fuck me. God damn.
Do the sides first.
So what you're gonna do is not that. Don't do it. Don't fall off.
Unqualified angry people.
But so far, it looks dope. Nice and slow and easy. I think it looks good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, smashing.
That's not bad at all. Are you kidding me?
I guess.
That it's better than mine. Did you measure wrong?
No, I didn't. It's even. It's the same.
You measured wrong, dude.
No, I didn't.
It's off again.
It is not off. No, it's not.
It's off again.
I'm not getting a tape measure though. All right, I'm gonna get a tape measure.
It's the same.
I think it's the same. I think it's the exact same.
That's all we're doing tonight. That's it. Next time we could do another banner.
Yay!
So we could do the banner this coming weekend, and then hit the show up the next weekend, and then start on performance, and we'll actually do the whole build series. Anyway, that's it for today.
Yep.